So the packaging this year for Team Pixel was pretty cool, coming from going for the Pixel 7 Pro and the Pixel Watch, which was a surprise to me that this was in the box. Now they did give us the original boxes, not much inside of them, the standard stuff that you would expect. For the 7 Pro, you do get the charging cable and the transfer adapter as well too, more on transferring in a little bit. And for the Pixel Watch, it does give you the wireless charging pad that you need with it. It also gives you an extra wristband as well too. So I decided to set up the Pixel 7 Pro first, and going through all the basic setup, I finally got to the point where I can do the copy transfer feature, which I wanted to use this time, switching over from my 6 Pro over to my 7 Pro using the included cable with it as the cable to transfer between the two of them. I really like the fact that it's real simple to use and it gives you the options of what you want to transfer over. And I pretty much transfer over everything except for photos and videos this time because I already have that backed up to the cloud and Google Photos, so I don't really need to download that again unless I need that. Now while the data is transferring, I went ahead and started setting up my security with my fingerprint, and it's really interesting this year. It seems to be much more improved than from the 6 Pro so far, and it really walked me through the steps this time and making sure to get everything on the finger for the fingerprint reader. And I did about 4 fingers this time just to kind of put them all in there. I like to have that many and just kind of make sure that it's all working well. So far it's been working pretty good, it's been pretty fast. Now after a few of my basic standard questions, I finally get into my Pixel 7 Pro. I switched up the theme just here a little bit to give a little bit of a different style from what I have with the 7 Pro. Navigate around a little bit, but I do have to wait for this to finish downloading some of the apps and things like that it needs to get from the cloud. So I said, well, let me go ahead and let this do this. Let me go ahead and check out this Pixel Watch over here, because that needs to get set up. Now what's really cool, as soon as I powered on the Pixel Watch, my Pixel 7 Pro detected that it was nearby. I went in ahead and clicked on that, and it lets you download an app, the Pixel Watch app that you need to add on to it. And you go through the standard sort of configuration that you would expect with most smartwatches. And once I kind of navigated through that, it did a quick update as well too. After that, it did basically put me through an easy sort of step-by-step guide on how to navigate, how to use the actual Pixel Watch through the swipes, gestures, and buttons and things like that. Overall, this was a pretty seamless experience getting things connected, getting my data and everything moved over. I really can't wait to immerse myself here into the Pixel experience with the 7 Pro. Post your questions, comments, concerns below. Let me know what you guys think or want to know about it. But in the meantime, definitely check out this recommended video here that YouTube tells you to check out next. And I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching.